so they live in their home and they can do work and also get money. I agree with you, as we can see that it will not only affect the person, but it also will help the company, so that they can take the person, and the person who is from far away from their places can easily work from home, and it will not cost him travel cost.
I agree with the point, gentlemen. As we know that working from home is also beneficial for the companies also. As if the companies hire their office workers, so it will take them less cost to pay for the employee, rather than if they are coming to the offices, it may take more expenses to the company.
Yes, I agree with you. As before the pandemic, people were not aware of work from home. After the pandemic, people know about the more jobs through the work from home, and it get the more in our education system also.
I think it is very good for not traveling, because it can help many problems. Like if you are not traveling, you can lessen the pollution. It can also reduce the overcrowding.
I agree with you, as we can see that working from home help the women mostly, because when women got pregnancy or are going to get married, they are forced to leave their job and work from home can help them to complete their dream.
I agree with your point, gentlemen. As if and we can also a single person can also exchange with the other countries people also working from home. They can change their words with the different countries people.
I think working from home, the location major will not be a barrier for a person. He can work from anywhere, and it will be very helpful for him.
I think it is very good for women empowerment, because it allows women to work from home and they don't need to travel from their home to far places.
As work from home gives you opportunity to know more about the job, as some of the jobs, but there are some cons, as some of the jobs want skillful development, and some of the person also want skillful development. Through work from home, you can not learn a full of knowledge about any profession or something. So there are some cons also.
I agree with you, but as we can see that if a person is working from home and if the company like his work, they talk to the person and make him permanent in his job.
Many people who don't want to go to their jobs and they don't want to work, for them also it's very good. But many people are becoming lazy with work from home. Work from home is making them lazy, and
It is very helpful for a company that when the company hires a person or a worker for him, so the company also afford his expenses by some workers or some other activities. So it will also reduce the company's expenses.
Yes, and then I agree with the point. But there are so many jobs in India, like we can't do work from home. We go far from our home to do the work.
Yes, I agree with you. As work from home is more suitable for the person who is physically not fit. As if he wants to do a job, he can do a work from home.
It is also good for a company, because if a person is working from home, they cannot make excuse of leaving.
I agree with your point, gentlemen. As we know that there is a scheme launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that the Atmanirbhar Bharat. It also boosted from the working from home scheme. As I give you the example, as if a person is the main reason of working from home, they can become the influencer. They can influence anyone, which can boost the economy also. So working from home is majorly affect the country's economy also.
yes, I agree. But some disadvantages are like teamwork is not there. From work from home, teamwork is not there, and from companies they can distribute their mind that
Yes, I agree with you. As work from home, by doing work from home, people feel more lazy and people feel isolated, as it is very harmful for their eyesight. Working 8 hours a day in a computer.
Yes, gentlemen, I agree with your point. There are so many places in India where the internet issue happens, so people can't do the work from home in that places.
I think it
I
is
am
very
sure
bad
with
for
your point that the places are also the major issues for the working from home. But it could also be seen that working from home also is helpful, or we can say that it will also reduces the.
I agree with your point, gentlemen. But the major con of this working from home is the health issue. The major problem faced by many people is the health issue. The major problem is the weakness of the eyesight, and there is a major concern about their health.
I partially agree with you, but we can see that if a person is working from home, he can give up, he can give a time for his family, either his small kid or a person who is older than him. As we can see that old people are not given the proper time in family. So working from home can help us to give them time, and old age home will not.
Yes, I am sure with your point that work from home also is it is a reason that the company are using, the people are working from home. So company think that there is not 8-hour jobs for them, and they are giving them too much work according to their as the when person goes to the offices and do some work, but the companies are forcing them to do the work certainly and continuously.
As I agree with you, through work from home, in some jobs there are very long processes by sending your files, or so it is very long process in some jobs. Also, work from home is very harmful for a person to work 8 hours or 10 hours in a day.
Work from home can majorly work in the climatic issue. That sometimes there is very rainy season and too much flood is in their cities, so they can work from home. That it will make their work easier.
I agree with you. As we can take the example of COVID-19, at that time everything was shut down. No companies were open, but due to work from home, people were doing work from home and were earning money for them and their family.
I think it is bad for social skill of a person, and it is also bad for teamwork, and it affects communication of a person with its of his fellows. It's a very bad thing for that.
And I am sure with your point that working from home also causes that if a person is working from home, he can get his time for some other skills. He can invest his precious time for doing some other things also.
I agree with you. If a person is working from home, he can take leave from the company by making excuses of anything, and it will help the company to grow fast, and due to this our country will economy will also grow fast.
Work from home can help the entrepreneurs to start their home businesses, and it will make growth in our country's economy and many more places.
Yes, I agree with you. As doing work from home, most of the companies are come from other countries, as their time schedule is very wrong, as it will affect the time schedule of a person, and also a person feel isolated and cannot give up much time to his family, even living in his family.
It is good for a company because a company can hire talented people from other cities.
In my opinion, there are so many people who are not well educated. They can't work in a online. So they are not well educated. So they can't do the work from home.
I think work from home will be an initiative to increase the person knowledge about computer sectors, so that he can grow his future in that particular company.
Yes, I am sure with your point. Working from home also, instead of working from home, if a person goes to the office and do work there, so it will also promote the it will also boom the unity feeling in his, and they will work together, and he will also get interacted with his colleague.
I agree with you. Working in a company physically will help a person to grow his social skills, teamwork, and leadership
Work
qualities.
from home can help the company to grow, as the company will use less expenses. The worker will get less salary, and the company can help.
Yes, I agree with you. As most of the private companies are better than government companies. As the private companies, the only thing they want is your skills or your education. By sending your skills or education, you can get a job through your skills.
I think it is very gentlemen, as if we are working from home, so the major issue is of the network issue. If there is a not proper network issue, so someone can also get fired from his job.
I partially agree with you. As we can see that if a person is going to a company for work, the manager can force a person to do more work at the time, but in online work there is a fixed time for a proper.
I think
Work
it's very
from
good for a
home
company because it can be good for the mood of an employee. So it will make him motivated to work for his company, and it is very good for the company.
work from home is beneficial for those people who are belong to poor family. They can do two jobs in one day, so they can earn more money.
I agree with you. Working from home can help the poor family to become financially strong and make their future bright.
Work from home will help the employee to get more time, as the time they will consume traveling and going to company and coming from back home. The time will be utilized in work from home.
But if we come to that, if we come to about traveling, that not work from home is about traveling, but if a person goes from one place to another or one state to another, so he will also enhance, or he will also explore those new areas, and it will also feel him good that he can also interact with the nature or with other states' culture also.
As work from home also decrease the employment rate, as we have seen that some of the jobs are needed the manpower, as the most of the person choose work from home instead of going on their jobs. As we have seen only in a government job you have a lot of jobs, but you don't have a facility to do a work from home. In a private job you have facilities like freelancing, editing, and many more jobs.
Work from home is beneficial for students also. Students do study, and also in free time they can work and also earn money and help their family financially.
As work from home is now increasing rapidly day by day, but we can see that most of the government jobs are now that they do not consider work from home. They only put the persons interacting or doing the government jobs. They go physically and do the jobs.
I totally agree with you. Okay.
Stop.
Last, there is no age limit.